Is it time to replace your brake pads? Today we're going to show you how to do that. I'm Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. How do you check your brake pads? First, you'll remove the wheel. What we're looking for is excess or uneven wear on the pad itself. If it is excess or if it's uneven, check your caliper and your brake line. Make sure those are still good. These look like they're kind of getting down to it, so we'll go on ahead and get those changed. Let's remove the set screw. And remove the caliper. Now to press the caliper mount, remove your brake pads. Now you'll depress the piston. We're going to be using a C-clamp. Now we're going to install our SuperATV brake pads. You're going to slide the pads onto the post. Make sure that the pads are facing in towards each other so that they're meeting the rotor. And reinstall your caliper to your rotor. Reinstall your set screw and reinstall your wheel. Once that's done, go on ahead and pump your brakes a couple times just to recompress your piston, and you're ready to go.